जी, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Alhamdulillah, I am good too. Okay? Now, today we are doing exercises from page number 23, that is the A exercise. A exercise is read aloud. Okay? Please read aloud means that you have to read after me but loudly. The first word is Zinka. You know, Zinka is the female dog of Farmer Benz. Acha ji, Zinka. The second word is zoo. Z-O-O, zoo. Zebra. Zip. Zigzag. In this exercise, uh, you will get the sound of Z. Z. Zinka, zoo, zebra, zip, and zigzag. In next line, dozen. Dozen means 12. Clear? Dozen means 12. Maze, razor, sneeze, size, wise, lies, busy, please. In the last line, sure, sure, sugar, tissue, measure, and the last word is treasure. Clear? Clear? Okay. After doing this exercise A, we will continue exercise B and two questions. I'm going to introduce two questions. Question number 1 and question number 2. Okay? Now, you can see on my whiteboard question number 1. First, before starting any work in your notebook, just check where you have to write the day and date. The top line is red line and you have to write down the day of today, that is Friday, the date of today, that is 21st August. Now, in 4 lines, after the red line, which is called top line, there is a broad line, and after that broad line, 4 lines will start. In 4 lines, you will write down topic. Topic is Farmer Ben's boot. Clear? Question number 1. How many animals were there on the farm? Clear? I have told you and you have read all the animals on page number 18. So you can find the answer from page number 18. The total animals were 220. So I write there were 220 animals on the farm. Is this clear? And how many animals means that the quantity of each animals. Now you will continue the answer. Clear? Is this clear? Okay. Now we come to question number 2, that in what ways did Zinka help Farmer Ben? You can see the answer on page number 19, line number 17, that Zinka ran to the gate to get the newspaper. This is first, number 1 point. The Z of Zinka should be capital. The second, Zinka would get his boot after the tea. Is this clear? Okay. Now these two questions you will done in your notebook, and you can see as I have written date on top line, day on top line, topic in 4 lines, and question number 1 and question number 2 should be done on next page. Now we come to page number 19 to find the answer of question number 2. This is page number 19, and you can find the answer that Zinka ran to the gate to get the newspaper. So you can write that Zinka ran to the gate to get the newspaper for Farmer Ben. ठीक है? This is the first work Zinka does. अच्छा, then after that, when Farmer Ben had drunk his first cup of tea for the day, Zinka would get his boot. So no need to write this thing, only you have to write Zinka would get his boot after the tea. Clear? After the tea, Zinka would get his boots after the tea. After the tea. So question number 2 will start from this. Zinka ran to the gate to get newspaper. This is the answer of question number 2. And second, Zinka would get his boots for after the tea. Clear? Is this clear? Okay, thank you very much, class.